Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a quick look at the mode button on the ER180 register. So this machine doesn't have a key lock, so on a traditional, maybe bigger cash register, you'd have a key lock for turning from the off mode to the reg mode and to the programming mode and report mode. On the ER180 it's done by the mode button. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to double check what mode you're in, because if you want to put a sale through and you're not sure what mode you're in, you can simply type in 99, press the mode button, and then it will come and say that you're actually in the off mode. If you get a blank display when that happens, then it means the till's actually in the off mode. So if I now press the mode button again, you press it once and you get to the reg mode. So there's a couple of different ways of using the mode button. You can keep pressing it to toggle through the different settings. So read, reset, so they're your two report modes. P for program, S for service, void, and then off. But there is a quicker way of doing that. If you want to jump straight to a particular mode, each mode has a correlating number. So if you wanted to go to the reg mode, you press 3 and then the mode button. If you want to press, if you want to jump to the program mode, it would be 6 and then the mode button, and so on and so on. This information is all on page 5 of the manual, which I'd recommend reading, especially if you're not used to a mode button toggling between different modes of the register. So if we get back to, say for example, if we were in the service mode, if you press clear, the display goes to 0.00, which so there's no way of knowing from this screen what particular mode you're in. So you could think you're in the sales mode. So when you try and process a sale, you just get a generic error message. So if you are getting that, you press clear to get rid of the error message, and then you could do the 99 mode, and then that would confirm I'm in the service mode. That's the wrong mode for sales, so I need to jump to the register mode, which is 3, and then the mode button, or you could repeatedly press mode until you get REG on the display. Once you're in RGE, you simply type sales in the normal way and the till will work properly. If you need to turn the till off, say at the end of the night, the number you need to press is 2, so 2 and then the mode button, and the till goes into an off mode. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. It's just an introduction to how the mode button works. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to operate and program the 180. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.